Today is our last full day here. Tomorrow we leave. I'm the only one up. I wanted to go ahead and get breakfast going because I'm gonna go out to the beach early today. It is absolutely gorgeous. Do you hear me? The beach is in perfect condition. I'm ready for these individual lashes to come off. They look a hot, holy mess, but no one cares about that. So I'm gonna finish with breakfast, get everybody fed, and then I'm going to take my luscious self out to the beach and enjoy this beautiful last full day here on the beach. Just wanted to give y'all an update. So this is our last day here, and my honey wanted to spend a little alone time before we have dinner with the family. So we've come out to Pier Park to kind of walk around. I did some parasailing today. I feel so excited about that. You look so happy to be here. So yeah, we're gonna walk around and get some footage out here, and I can't believe our vacation is over as of tomorrow. You wanna go across? Which one?
Come see it too, no?
Add these to my anklet collection. I'm gonna get a couple. So we ended up getting some Starbucks, and we're headed back down to go pick up the Fam Bam for dinner. It smells like seafood out here, like in a good way, at least to me. It's a beautiful day. The sun finally came out. What, babe? Alright, so we are out for our last night in town. Gonna head out and get some dinner, spend a few hours together, go out on the pier, and that will commence the beach trip. No, thank you. So I'll check in with y'all at dinner.
This is gonna be yours, land shark. We call them land sharks.
Oh, look at it.
All right, Mr. Shark. And you're gonna do the
Crab.
My favorite.
Got
Chicken fajitas. It came with tortillas, but I'm not gonna eat those. Just this. What you eat?
I have some ribs and
They good? He got a crab hat. Your food good? So we're out on Pier Park. We are headed to the Ferris wheel. I have been fiending to get to this Ferris wheel all week. I've been talking about it. I saw it, and I haven't been the same since. So we are headed to it. Right. I can't wait. We got up to it. Look at that. Your burp is gonna be in my vlog. You're waiting in the line for the sky wheel. Still with the crab, guys. This one right here don't want to do it. I'm not gonna put his face on there because he's feeling good from dinner. He wants to be left alone off of camera. But this is what we're waiting on. So we are in the sky wheel. We've gotten loaded. We are both like, oh dear God. So here we go. To do this, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, darling. Gorgeous. Beautiful view to finish off a beautiful weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me and my family for our beach vacation. I love you. Thank you for being here. If you haven't, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Become a member of my family. I would love to have you here. All right, you guys. I'll check you out in the next one, and I will see you later. Bye.
Let me show y'all something I can do. Let me show what.